I'm going to be doing another weather review. However, this time it's not just for fun. This is about a dangerous situation that is currently unfolding across most of the United States, as you can see on this map. The pink is where winter storm warnings have been issued. A winter storm warning means the conditions are favorable for typically over 5 inches of snow. These should be taken pretty seriously. However, for ones more south, they mainly consist of ice storms. In fact, speaking of ice storms, there are a few ice storm warnings that have already been issued for areas such as northern Louisiana, the southern Appalachians, and even parts of southern Tennessee. And you may just think, oh, this is just going to impact this area. No, it's kind of impacting the whole country. Because even up north, there's a giant Arctic blast coming down kind of from the Arctic itself. And it's smashing through the United States like a wrecking ball. I know that was a bad thing. I mean, a bad metaphor, but whatever. Anyway, let's get right into this. I'm going to be using the HRRR for how this event is going to go down. Okay, so can't see it really well on here because I'm kind of using it to cover an ad. Hold up. Okay, if you look down here, you can see that in Texas there's some cold rain. This will eventually become freezing rain, and that I'm going to talk about why that is really important in a few minutes. Anyway, after that, the stuff will start to... Oh my... I had to cut that part out. A glitch happened. Anyway, you'll eventually start to see this. There's going to be a ton of freezing rain in northern Mississippi and all through southern and central Arkansas. And on the other hand, just north of that, in cities like Memphis, Fayetteville, and even Springfield, we will start seeing some snow. There will be extremely heavy snow in Memphis, it seems. And then as we continue to go on, you'll start to see that. I don't know what to really say. Just I don't know. We could be seeing record-breaking accumulations of ice in northern Mississippi, never seen before. Even southern Tennessee, maybe. Anyway, in Alabama, we'll be seeing some thunderstorms. North of that, we'll start seeing some snow enter the Ohio Valley. And then there'll just be some more ice coming to northern Mississippi. Then snow will start getting heavier in Kentucky about Sunday morning, like 12 a.m. And then this will just continue. There could also be some sleet, excuse me, in southern Kentucky, but yeah, there could also be a lot of ice in Tennessee. After that, though, the first round of heavy snow will pass, and then the second round will come where the storm really explodes. And then, according to this run, it's... Oh my god. Dude. I'm actually starting to cry. Dude. I just can't not believe this. Anyway. Heavy snow will start moving into southern Ohio, and then there will be some mixed accumulation entering the Appalachians, and then there will be this warm nose that will extend into the Appalachians as well, It'll bring some rain to areas that would usually get snow, but this time, for whatever reason, I still don't know why, but it's reversed. Well, you'll see it. For some reason, something happens in South Bend, but that always kind of happens. Then snow will just slowly inch its way over to Ohio in the Ohio Valley, where you can see accumulations in parts of western Kentucky that get up to about 12 to, in some areas, possibly even 13 inches. By the way, this isn't exact. This winter storm will be really chaotic. Like, we kind of know where the rain-snow band is, but kind of not. Anyway, and then in the Ouachitas, apparently there's going to be about a foot of snow. So, yeah, but here's the part I've been dreading. And this is the thing I think all of you should be really concerned about. The freezing rain. Some of these accumulations could get up to really high amounts. Amounts that are just heartbreaking. Sorry. If you live anywhere in northern Mississippi, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, even southern Virginia, I'm in North Carolina, and anywhere I'm circling with my mouse, especially this area, northern Mississippi, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, western Texas, just expect power outages you've never seen in your entire life. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Anything over an inch is catastrophic, and we can even see some isolated amounts such as 2 inches. Sorry, it's a lot for me, you know? I do care about you guys. I worry for all of you. So, then look at how strong this high pressure and low pressure systems are going to be. This is how this thing is forming. You can see when they collide, then just and if you live anywhere in the upland south, anywhere from here to here, just make sure you're prepared for very long power outages. If you're north of that, expect heavy snow. You will like that, I'm sure. And if anywhere south, expect thunderstorms. But yeah, you'll then see this may actually become a nor'easter, but then it will make its way off the coast, and then there'll be possibly another low pressure system that makes it over the Great Lakes to 28th, but again, this is kind of far out and not really important. And then I have no idea what this is, but then some snow may form over the Appalachians, and then after that it's really uncertain. All we know is that we're going to have some really big snowstorms, and this may be an actual thing that happens, at least somewhat. But yeah, there's the winter weather severity is basically like the SPC of winter. And again, just I'm so sorry. Most of the United States is under a moderate impacts. Oh my. but then there's this big corridor from the Ozarks to the Northern Appalachians and Mid-Atlantic that are under major impacts. This is mainly from the snow north, and then some even have to do with the amount of snow and its pressure. And in Arkansas, I'm just sorry. Blowing snow is also an issue, especially in Crowley's Ridge, even the northeast. And then it will just be general in most of the area. And then I don't even know what to say about this. This is life-threatening. As it says, expect substantial disruptions to daily life, extremely dangerous or impossible driving conditions. Travel is not advised. Extensive and widespread closures and disruptions to infrastructure may occur. Life-saving actions may be needed. If you live anywhere in northern Mississippi, just be safe, okay?